Big channels, small channels, starting channels, old channels, we all need a source of different income to provide you with good content. Like, if I didn't have money, I don't have this nice camera, I don't have money to buy this burger, what are you gonna watch? What's up, guys? It's Coco, and today we are gonna be having this amazing donut cake from Angel Bakery, Minnesota. Or Angel Bakery. Also, I got Red Robin here. I just got onion rings, a regular cheeseburger, and I have fries over here. Just won't fit, but because basically this came today, literally an hour ago, and the cream of the top of the donut, which would look like a cake donut, is stuck to the board on top of the carton. It's stuck to the box, so it looks like shit like this. But I'm gonna show you the picture of it when it looks like this, perfectly a donut cake. This isn't a donut and this isn't a cake, it's a donut cake. So this is from Angel Food Bakery. This is from Minneapolis, and I've been there a lot, so I know their stuff is always great. Always. I'm gonna start with the onion rings because they look bomb as hell. Sauce. Putting sauce in my stuff. So hungry. Fries? Don't worry, I got a knife. That is a lot of cream, and it's so good. So good. That is so good. I've been touching the cream all day. Well, not all day when I was unpacking it, and it's just so like buttery and oily. Super worth it. So good. Good food. Good food, guys. See, I just like my burger cheeseburger. When it's like, there's so much stuff in my burger, like, I can't. I like it just this way. How was your day today? Everything's going wrong today. From this to just like hate comments were getting into me today. I don't know why. Usually I don't care about hate comments, but there are days that it just like gets to me. Like everything that people say insults me. There are days like that, and then there are days that I don't give a fuck. Like I would say anything I want, and nothing would like I don't care. But today, I don't know why. Oh my god, that is so much better. I'm sorry. Should have done that earlier. This is neatly packed. I'm impressed. Let's try another one of this. So these are layers of their jumbo donuts, which I already had. I had a video for it too. Same place. 1, 2, 3. I would say there's 3 jumbo donuts over here. They layered it, and then they put cream, and then they covered it with like cake cream, something like that. This is like the perfect temperature to eat it, like room temperature. But it was so hot today that it melted. And then the cream got stuck on top of the box. And I'm so pissed because this, like, I mean, look at this. I want this on my Instagram, you know? Onion ring. Let's try the ranch. The ranch is way better. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, I've been studying for my real estate exam in August. This donut. I have like 90 hours of studying to do. So like I also have June, July to review before August. I would say that's the perfect time, right? Like just to study at least three hours a day. And when I get done, I can go back to the stuff that I've reviewed to make sure I know it and then pass the test. I really have no problem on like testings and exams because I'm good at it. Not worried. It's not math. I can study anything and be good at the test. This cheeseburger is good today. I know probably because I always get like stuff from Red Robin. Oh my gosh. I know because I always get stuff from Red Robin that's like way over the top. That has stuff, that have too much stuff in the burger. And then sometimes I just don't enjoy it because there's so much going on in my burger. I just like it like cheese, meat, and the bun. And jalapenos. And a lot of onions. Also, their fries is like steak fries. I don't like that. I hate my fries thick. Look. Donut. Haven't had donut in a while. I'm still mad. I wanted a picture of this. It's not picture worthy anymore. I'm a very visual person, so when that is like taken from me, I'm mad. What are you guys eating today? Are you guys being good? Are you guys being bad? I'm so bad. Burgers, onion rings, fries, donut. Everything that's bad. Like I said, I am so done doing mukbangs every day. It's so bad for you. I'm not gonna rush YouTube. I'm just like chilling. Like I'm just gonna chill. Like I'm gonna do my best, upload consistent, but not overdo it. I just feel like I'm so overwhelmed lately. and burnt out. I'm so burnt out. You guys remember I used to upload every day? And I just fast. I don't fast now, but I eat like really healthy. And I think I like it that way. And just like upload 2 times a week or 3. Just to not overdo it and be overwhelmed. YouTube burnt out. Because when you reach a point where you're so burnt out, you're gonna like stop uploading. You're gonna like consider quitting YouTube. And I don't want that to happen. So I'm just gonna like slowly but surely. Another donut. That bite is all cream. I ate a lot already. Oh my. Some people like me when I just like shut up and eat. Some people like me when I like talk too much or like do a story time. What do I prefer? I prefer when a mukbanger take big bites, chew very fast, swallow it, and like have a good story time. Also, that's what I'm trying to do, but it's hard. You have to like be in the right mood, mindset, be in the right level of hungriness, and you have to have like a pointed out, ready-made story time. Not ready-made, but like you have to have like a ready story to tell. It's tough. That would be the perfect mukbang though. Like how Megan does it. If you guys watch Megan. I love Megan. Because she tells story time and her stories are good. And she takes big bites. And she can almost like finish her food. I used to love Stephanie Sue. I mean, I have nothing against her, but now that she has been very successful, like she doesn't eat now that much. She just like talks and talks. Like there's more talking versus eating. And she only takes like small bites. She used to eat a lot. Have you seen her when she started? I used to watch her every day. Because she used to have this funny story times about her mom. And takes like big bites. And almost finishes her food. I'm guilty because I can't finish food either. But I try. I try. I also ordered tons of lipsticks from Jeffree Star. I received it today. And I tried it on. But I thought it was going to be matte, but it wasn't. And I was so disappointed. Do you ever just like buy a bunch of stuff? Like not just one thing too, but like you bought like a lot of things of the same product. And you didn't like it? Oh. I mean, I love Jeffree Star, but this is my first time buying a product from him. I love him to death, but I didn't like the lipsticks. So. Alright, I'm full. Oh, and by the way, you guys, I want to say this. One thing I was mad about today, too, is there's just one guy who told me, like, I don't know about you doing OnlyFans. It's like you are putting your body out there and you shouldn't. I'm like, excuse me, why are you telling me what to do? I can do whatever I want. And besides, OnlyFans is not for that specific reason. When, who, or when, or where did guys, of all of you people, thought that OnlyFans was like for porn or like exchanging photos for money? Like, it's not, I mean, it can be like that, but it's not like all for that, you know. It's fun for content creators that they can communicate through their fans. It's like Patreon. Some people need to understand that the hustle here in social media is super real. It is not easy. You think it's fun and games just uploading a picture, a video, and make it perfect for y'all and waste my time? No. Like, I need money to provide and continue to be doing all of this stuff, production of filming for you guys. Like, who's gonna give me that money? So don't tell me that you're doing OnlyFans and Patreon. Like, dude, like, we all need some source of money to be able to do this social media thing, and it's not easy. Big channels, small channels, starting channels, old channels, we all need a source of different income to provide you with good content. Like, if I didn't have money, I don't have this nice camera, I don't have money to buy this burger, what are you gonna watch? Right? So, that's why I was here today. Yeah. Anywho, I'm full. So full. Alright guys, I am tapping out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.